So today, I'm going to show you all how to use soda siphons. Yep, they're cold as hell. Remember, the colder your siphon and the water, the better your carbonation. And my water has already started to freeze. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first let's get these tops off real quick. Okay, this is awkward. I have an old canister in here. Uh-oh, it's not supposed to do that. So this is what they look like after being used. These are 8 grams. Twice. We're going to do this the way you're not supposed to do it, and then the way that you are supposed to do it. Time to pour in some water. These siphons are just meant for making a liter, so that's what we'll measure here. I came up short, so I had to get some more water. Okay, so now we put in the measure tube. Next, we put in the washer and its tube. Now we screw the head back on. For the good bottle, we're going to put in the measuring tube first. Okay, the purpose of the measure tube is to slow down the flow of water and then to stop it completely once it's filled up, as you see here. This way you never have too much water. It's always perfect. And this is just to more directly show you how the overflow looks. This tube is part of how we directly inject carbon into the water. Okay, and let's just put the 8 gram chargers into the caps. And now we actually carbonate it by screwing it on. That gas sound that you heard is the carbon that you're shooting in. Some of it's depressurized and comes out. You'll feel it on your hand. If you cover the back end, it's not dangerous, it's fine. As you see, I'm shaking it. You at minimum need to do at least 5 shakes just to mix in some more of the water and the carbon, but hey, you can go a bit crazy with it. Have fun. It's really hard to screw this up, so I'm doing the same thing with the good one here as well. And this little hole that you see here is for gas release. This is the best practice. You lose very little CO2 when you take this off and pop it on. This also helps to keep your drink fresh long term. Now they rest for 10 minutes. Placing your soda siphons in the freezer is a very bad practice. It's bad because water expands, you're set for causing an explosion. These containers are very tight and highly pressurized at the moment. 10 minutes is the most I'll be willing to do. I normally do place them in the fridge. 10 minutes should be safe, but life does happen. You don't want them to freeze over. Like empty liter bottles. So we got salt, it gives you sodium with some decent taste, and then we got crystallized fruit here. This gives you the taste of fruit without sugar and salt. This first bottle is about to get a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 3 packets of lime. The second bottle is going to get a 1/4 cup of grapefruit juice and also 3 packets of lime. Aim into your container properly and then squeeze. When the bottle runs out of air pressure but it still has water inside, you hold them sideways or upside down to safely release the rest of the air. Hopefully you can have a fun and safe time carbonating things on your own now. Thanks for tuning in with me today. Take care.